Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. So, today is Thursday and this is our fourth installment of our current series, which is Trusting in God in Financial Matters. So, ayan, maingay ulit sa labas. So, our topic for today is first fruits as sacrificial giving. So, ilang araw na natin topic tong sacrificial giving na to kasi nga financial yung pinag-uusapan eh, 'di ba? So, going back, our verse for today is Proverbs chapter 3 verses 9 to 10. So, in English Standard Version, honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of all your produce. Then your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will be bursting with wine. So in Filipino translation naman, or in Magandang Balita Biblia version, parangalan mo si Yahweh sa pamamagitan ng iyong mga kayamanan at mula sa iyong mga pinakamainam na ani, siya ay iyo ring handugan. Sa gayon, kamalit mo ay lagi nangaapaw, sisidla ng inumin ay hindi nga matutuyuan. So, ina-expound lang nito yung mga naging topic natin nitong nakaraan na, ayun nga, what you sow is what you reap. Diba? Lalo na when it comes to glorifying God, kapag nagbibigay tayo na nakakatulong sa pagbibigay puri sa ating Panginoon, is mas nag-uumapaw talaga yung blessing sa atin, diba? So, para mas mapalalim pa itong talakayan natin, is proceed tayo sa ating teaching. So, naalala ko lang din kasi dun sa devotion ni Pastor Russell, may nakalagay dun, first fruits is not or are not required. So, kagaya rin to ng sacrificial giving na hindi siya required, like yung tithing, hindi rin siya required. So, it may be cultural to some churches, diba? Pero it is not considered as biblical na. And also, this can also be seen as parang abuse ng spiritual power, parang ganun, something like that. So, ayun. To summarize, first fruits are not required, diba? It may be cultural, but it is not required and is not biblical. So, I'm sorry I had to stop kasi may sobrang ingay na sasakyan na dumaan. So, anyways, number 1, teaching. So, ang teaching pala natin nakalagay dito, first fruits is voluntary. Number 1, first fruits as voluntary sacrificial giving is giving the first portion of our income. So, ang pinakapagkakaintindi ko rito, ilalaan natin yung, kumbaga yung first fruits natin for God is yun yung, hindi siya yung tira-tira lang. Ito yung pinakamagandang portion or yung pinakauna, yung pinaprioritize natin palagi. Especially sa income natin, diba? Yung ganyan. Diba tayo nagbabudget tayo? So, para mas madaling ma-explain, kapag nagbabudget tayo, for example, pinakauna natin pinaglalaanan ng pera is yung first fruits natin or yung sacrificial giving natin. So, hindi lang siya, for example, kapag may natira sa pera mo, ayun yung isa-sacrificial giving mo, no. So, kaya nga nang sabi rito sa verse, at mula sa iyong mga pinakamainam na ani. So, ibig sabihin, hindi last option, kundi ang ibibigay natin kay God is yung pinakamaganda, yung alam mo yun, yung alam mong deserve niya, di ba? Kasi He has done a lot for us, tapos magbibigay ka lang ng tira-tira sa Kanya, magbibigay ka lang ng tira-tira ang sahod mo para kay God, na kapag naman nagbigay tayo, sa atin din yung balik ng blessings, di ba? So, what's there, or what is the reason para magdamot tayo or hindi natin i-prioritize yung pagbibigay kay God? So, first fruits are just like tithing. So, kumukuha din tayo ng part sa income natin, di ba? Yung nagbibigay nga tayo sa sacrificial giving. Ayan. Kumbaga, ang first fruits kasi, ito yung, pagkuha or pagbibigay ng pinakamainam na ani. Diba? So, kailangan pinaprioritize natin, and pasok pa rin yung lahat ng elements ng tithing dito. Basta, ang first fruits is yung pinakamagandang ani niya, parang ganon. Yun yung pinakamadaling explanation. So, number 2, first fruits as voluntary sacrificial giving honors the Lord. So it is just like tithing na kapag ginawa natin, honor ang ating Panginoon. Number 3, first fruits as voluntary sacrificial giving can be one of the means to receive blessings from God. So again, as I have said earlier, when we do tithing or first fruits, di ba? Bumabalik sa atin yung blessings, nag-uumapaw pa, sobra-sobra pa. So God is very generous to us. So there is no reason for us na maging madamot sa Kanya, di ba? Na hindi magbigay or gumawa ng mga bagay na magbibigay glory sa ating Panginoon. So ngayon naman is proceed tayo sa ating application. Number 1, practice sacrificial giving as a way of thanking and honoring the Lord. Number 2, practice sacrificial giving as a way of being a channel of God's blessing. Number 3, practice sacrificial giving as a way of showing that we trust God to provide for us. So by now, after watching this devotion, we should be able to tell the reasons as to why we should practice first fruits as sacrificial giving as an expression of our trust in our Lord.